Hey, welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today, I'm going to make one of my favorites and a classic, Sloppy Joes.
Frankie Meatball, is that you?
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball of the cooking show with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday in the show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
Sloppy Joes, guys, what a classic. You will never buy another can after this video, because everything you need to make it, you already have. Ketchup, mustard, brown sugar, garlic, salt, pepper. That's all it is. And then, you know what we're going to do? We're going to freestyle a little bit with it. That's right, we got to freestyle with it, okay? A lot of recipes, they do onion and green pepper. Hey, that's what they do. But the meatball way, I'm going to use hot peppers and onion. I like mine nice little punch, you know what I mean? So anyway, we're going to use a half an onion, okay? About, I say, 8 cherry peppers, give or take, it's up to you. You can use green pepper, cup and a half of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 2 pounds of beef. I used 80-20, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I got 1 whole teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. So anyway, we're going to do the half a onion, okay? You know how to do your onion, right? This ain't your first rodeo. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Put your onions to the side. So now hot peppers. You can open them any way you want. You can cut them in half. Right? Bring this up over here. You can cut them in half and just go like that, which is nice and easy. But if you like me and you like toys, get the hot pepper. Well, it's an apple quarter, right? Over the bowl. Boom. Nice and nice. Everything comes out. Boom. See that? It's up to you. Whatever you want to do. So yeah, a lot of people use green pepper. I mean, you use green pepper. Do whatever you want, you know. Like cooking is your taste buds. Me, I like it nice and spicy, you know. Not overpoweringly, but like a nice little bite. You know what I'm saying? Nice little bite goes a long way. Okay. So you got all your peppers, stems out. Let's just cut them in half. So guys, if you haven't noticed, I've been doing a lot of collaboration with 3 Shades of Whatever. You saw Billy, 3 Shades of Whatever, cooking on here. We did the burrito and we did the chicken parm.
Here we go. We're going to start off with the pico.
The pico.
The pico is the easiest, takes the most time, so it's not the easiest. Never mind. Don't listen to me. What do I know?
Look at this little thing, huh? Tell me that ain't a killer Christmas present, huh? Good for him. Thank you, sir. Anyway, I've been on his channel. We did a couple videos together. Go to 3 Shades of Whatever and check it out. Let me tell you, pretty funny stuff, huh?
They're there. See, listen, when there's food in the fridge or in the house, it's just there. I just get up and eat.
Dude, I'm like ready to hang out the snacks. He's like, I can't wait. I gotta eat something.
Also, coming up, January 20th at the Berlin Brewery, we are going to be there. They are having their Meatball Mania. I'm going to be making some fresh mutts. So come out and get some fresh mutts. Don't charge. Unless you want to buy a bowl, then I'm going to have to charge you for the bowl, you know? But either way, it's good stuff. Come out. There's going to be bands, meatballs. Forget about it. You're going to love it. It's going to be a great time, guys. So come on out to that, okay? All right. So I'm going to put it together. Our skillet nice and heated up. You hit it up with oil. You can use any kind of oil you want. What I'm going to do is throw in the onions. Oh yeah, you hear that? Peppers, throw them in. Nice little pinch of salt. Boom. Okay, I'm going to do some pepper. I'm just going to sweat this up a little bit. break it up a little bit. You're gonna hit it with some salt, some more pepper. Mix that. Go ahead and chop it up and mix all the onions together. We're gonna brown this meat for a little bit. We're gonna just keep chopping it, you know. Now that your meat is kind of like half cooked, you got it nice and chopped up, go ahead and throw in your brown sugar, your garlic, and boom, the rest of your seasonings, another pinch of salt, boom, okay? And just go ahead and mix all that in. Just go ahead and throw in our ketchup and our mustard, okay? You're gonna love this, guys. You're never gonna buy the can again, I'm telling you. Never, ever, ever gonna buy the can again. Go ahead and mix that in there. So we're gonna freestyle a little bit, okay? Now if you just want the basics, that's your basics, okay? But me, I'm gonna freestyle with it a little bit. You wanna empty out some of your grease, go ahead. But me, I like my Sloppy Joes sloppy.
And some more sloppy Joes. I made them extra sloppy for you. I know how you kids like them sloppy.
Lady, you're scaring us.
I mean, if it's not sloppy, then where's the Sloppy Joe come in? I mean, come on, huh? It's in the name. So I'm gonna freestyle a little bit. I'm gonna get some Worcestershire. Okay, I'm gonna put some Worcestershire in there. Put a couple drops, okay? Put a couple drops in there. Give it some A1, huh? Not too much, right? But now what I like, I'm gonna give it that barbecue taste. Because I put that smoked paprika in there, I'm gonna give it that nice smoked barbecue taste. Now that's the thing, when you make it by yourself, you can go for any flavor profile you want. Like, forget about it. Like when you cook, the sky's the limit. I mean, come on, huh? You wanna put more ketchup? Put some more ketchup in there, you know? So you wanna go for like, you know what the sauce is supposed to look like. Alright, let's give that a little mix, let it simmer for a little bit. And give it a little mix. Look at them hot peppers, I'm telling you. You're gonna love it with the hot peppers. Hey, you like it with the green peppers too, but I'm telling you, hot pepper, boom, bang, you know what I mean? Oh, get yourself like a nice little thing that you could, I like my buns toasted, so we're gonna toast our buns. So I got it all mixed together. And lower it a little bit, so we're gonna simmer it for about 10 minutes, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna let that simmer, let the flavors come together, okay? And while that's doing that, I am going to toast my buns. Huh? Did you see how simple that was? And look, I'll be honest with you, you don't even really have to measure anything out. If you just, you know, you go by, you know what the sauce is supposed to look, you add some ketchup in, you add some mustard, some brown sugar, some barbecue sauce, taste it as you go. That's it. I mean, like, this is foolproof, guys. And it's a classic. I'm 46. I still love eating Sloppy Joes. One of my favorite things to eat. But it's gotta be sloppy, you know what I'm saying? Oh, look at this. See, if you're not burning your finger and it's not running down your fingers, then it's not a Sloppy Joe. It's... Oh, man. Oh, man. What? That's sloppy, huh? Guys, this is just so unbelievably easy and good. You'll never buy a canned sauce ever again. Try this, I'm telling you, my face is a mess. So, if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn that bell notification button to get notified every time I put out a video. Also, check us out on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on TikTok. And check out my guys, PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the forefathers to the bad mothers of rock. Also, guys, check out 3 Shades or Whatever, a new collaboration I'm doing on the YouTube channel. Check it out. You'll see the links at the end of this video. I'm telling you guys, Go try this, you're gonna love it. I'll tell you what. Till next time. Forget about it, huh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.